Hey guys, just trying to give you a little something here to help you as you do today's lesson. We're just continuing with the different shifts and transformations, but you'll notice we're on 1.3 notes and examples. We're going to talk about rational functions and how to sketch them and how to get their graph. Again, by the starting point and then looking at A. So you'll notice here, starting point is CD. All right, we're going to first make those asymptotes. The vertical asymptote's C, the horizontal's D. Once we draw those, we go to the point of where they intersect. All right, keyword, intersection point. And once we go to that point of intersection, we'll go up or down, whatever A is. But we always go left or right, just one. All right, so you'll notice here, 0, 0 were my asymptotes. 0, 0, go to where they intersect, go up one and over one, make a point, go down one and over one and make a point. Same deal, number 2. We shifted left 3 for our vertical. So identify the vertical asymptote. You got the horizontal asymptote. Go to where they intersect. Look at A. 1 and 1. Where they intersect, 1 and 1. Same deal here, except this time no vertical asymptote. Well, there is. Sorry, it's just at 0. The number out to the right is your horizontal, positive 3. Go to the point where the asymptotes intersect and go up and over, down and over. Now, you have to know the basic shapes. This is why we stressed this the other day. You have to know to go up and to your right, down and to your left. Why? Well, it's this type of function, and so far the first 3 have been positive. If it was negative, I would have went up and left, and I would have went down and to my right. All right, let's look at a few more examples. So in number 4 here, all right, first thing is asymptotes, right? So we got, positive 2. We got nothing out to the right. So that means that our horizontal must be at 0. Go to where they intersect, right? And you're going to go this time up and left. You're going to go where they intersect, you're going to go down and to the right, 1 unit. Why? Function's negative. So know the basic shape, know what the curves look like, know where the curves go. And from there, it's just starting point and looking at A. Let's check this one out. We have the 0 of this gets us our vertical asymptote, negative 2. Whatever number's out to the right, positive 1's our horizontal. Look at A. Go to where they intersect. You're going to go up 3 and left. All right, left just 1. You're going to go where they intersect. You're going to go down 3 and to the right. All right, why am I going bottom right, top left? Because the function is negative. When the denominator is x squared or a quantity squared, that just tells us the curves are going to both be kind of in the same area, meaning they're both going to be up top or they're both going to be in the bottom. All right, let's take a look at number 7. All right, find the vertical asymptote by setting it to 0. You got positive 1. The number out to the right is also positive 1. It's my horizontal. I'm looking at A. I know I'm going to move up 2 from where they intersect, and I'm going to go 1 to my right, and I'm going to go up again and 1 to my left. Why? Well, the rational function is squared in the denominator, and it's positive, so both curves are up top. Let's jump to number 9. Take a look at the vertical asymptote, find it in the denominator. There is not a number to the right, meaning must be 0. So I got a horizontal asymptote at 0. From here, go to where they intersect, right? That's how you get your points on your curves. You go to the intersection of the asymptotes and you look at A. A is going to move you down 1, over 1, down 1, over 1. Both of these curves, right, are in the bottom. Now, what students sometimes do is they forget how the curves look, right? They draw them like going into the asymptote. No, they run alongside of the asymptote and they go along with it in both directions, over and down in this case. Okay. Look, the next are the step functions. Give this a read. But for now, what I would like you to do is copy these notes down, all right, in the packet, and then also go through the homework. There's 15 problems. Only do the ones that you can, meaning I want you to do all the homework, all the problems aside from the ones with the step function. All right. Hope this video helps. All right. Take some time today in subclass over the weekend. Do these notes. Okay. We do not meet on Monday, but we'll meet again on Tuesday. And if you notice in the packet, we're getting towards the end of it. So, we'll talk on Tuesday. I don't know if we'll end up taking a quiz next week, but we certainly will have a review day and maybe a quiz the following. But at the earliest, our quiz might be next Thursday. Okay. All right, guys. Have a good weekend.